So I lost my truck this morning to the sheriffs knocking on my window. I didn't get load, I didn't get cold with the motherfucker popo. Cause I never gave a fuck about this show. Cause I did it with the beatbox. So I did it on the code, on the ice cold flow with the Mickey Lily load. Cause you download the shit, make it ice cold. Cause you chillin' at the lake with all the haters around. Cause they never wanna see you down in the ground. Cause they can't keep you down. Cause I'm so far down in the demon fighting morphines. Cause I was so in. Cause I was saying fuck that ecstasy. So I fuck that shit up.